In this video, I'm going to show you the profit for today that is given by my Forex Scalping report. Yes guys, on the screen you can see that is 258.10. So $258.10 are added by the report today. So it's very good because this report is performing on a daily basis, and I'm sharing you the daily reports. You can watch my previous videos if you have not watched them, so you can see that it's running on Euro, Great Britain Pound, and Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, Great Britain Pound JPY, AUD USD, and AUD CHF. So guys, the report of my report name is Smart Hedging Report. Basically it's do scalping and it do hedging. Like you can see on the screen that I have multiple positions open, buy and sell, and this is how it works. And later on, if the market goes into the trending side, then it uses the martingale. So overall it has performed extremely well. Maybe if I'm able to show you some other reports, or that I maybe if it fetch the weekly report, then I can show you that how it performed during the week. Okay, if I press OK, because my MT4 was little bit slow. So right now you can see in the last week it has added $1,805.19. Okay, so basically we are using this report from last 2 weeks. I have even shown you everything in the YouTube videos, and you can see it's working pretty fine. Okay, so mostly because guys, I'm using on aggressive setting, because you can see Euro, Great Britain Pound 15 minutes, and the other pairs are also on 15 minutes. So if you want to use it on a safe side, you can use 1 hour, and you can choose less pairs. For example, let's say if you want to just start with $1,000, you can choose 1 pair like Euro, Great Britain Pound. That is very safe. You know, this is the low volatile pair, so you can choose this one. Otherwise you can choose AUD CHF. This is also a good low volatile pair. Like if we talk about the war between Russia and Ukraine, then it has not reacted much because they were quite fine during the war time as well. The drawdown was very less. So you can use like 2 pairs or 1 pair with the $1,000 investment. If you add more investment, then you can add 1 more AUD USD pair. And if you have a good investment, then you can add Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, the report is performing very well into the market, and this is all about the results for the report today. So overall, a great performance again. Yesterday I recorded the video from my cell phone, and you can watch this video for the previous yesterday results. You can watch the previous video. You will be able to see the results by the report as well. And today again it has performed very well, and I'm quite happy with the results because these results are quite very impressive, and I can say that this is one of the report that is very good and that is very profitable, and I really love to trade during that report. So it is adding $250, $100, something, $300, $500, $400. It depends on the market volatility. Overall, I am very satisfied with the result. Okay guys, we also have a 2 to 3 days free trial for the report as well. So you can check the report before you buy it, and you can let us know about your thoughts about the report, because it's not about just paying anything blindly. So you can test the report on your demo account first, and then you can purchase this report. Okay, so guys, if you want to get this report, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.